Superb. So made some oranges in this little thingy, and this is just another example of plastic. Even when it's made for like outdoor use, eventually it just goes bad. And I'm sure all of you remember your grandma either having one that's from metal or maybe even glass. Glass is much easier to make than metal, right? And yeah, they would last for generations and generations. This broken little one only lasted for such a long time because the people here are really conscious about, the cost, the real cost of the production of anything. Just because you can buy something at the supermarket for €2 doesn't mean that is the cost. Remember how much tax you paid. Remember how much of that tax went to the fossil fuel industry to make it possible to produce this for €2. It's called corruption. So, I'm not trying to step on anyone's toes like dinosaurs in oil. But yeah, you can just make this by hand. You don't even need electricity. And this is a nice little trick I'm also going to show you. This was by my beautiful friend. It's another beautiful friend. Hey, my love. She's like, what are you doing? So this is what I'm doing to create some liquid, because some of the liquid that was here before, someone dropped it when they moved out of one of the, you see that thing called sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium chloride, urea. Okay, urea is probably the most healthy thing inside here. Urea is urine. Okay, this has got stem cells and all kinds of things. It's best not to use animal urine because it's a different type of organism, and all this other stuff is mostly bad. So yeah, basically you can't just throw this easily in the water, so we've just stopped using that. That will be used for somewhere where it's not going in the water. But this is how to create your own soap. So although I really like that organic soap, for this all you do is you pop oranges inside there. This was shown to me by Miguel Angel from Migueline Music. And that's what you do. That's it. A little bit of filtered water, make sure it is not chlorinated, because again, if this is going to go in your garden, which is also the place where you actually literally get your food, it's not going to be good. This is in plastic. It would be better if you have glass. I don't have glass at the moment, and I don't want to drive 40 minutes just to go and get some glass. That would be kind of productive. So that's it. You fill it up to where the oranges are filled with water, and you let it go a bit. And that is that citric acid, which is inside all the things, except sometimes it's artificial. And this is au natural. Yeah, easy to make, great for camping. You just use it to wash your dishes. You can also put some tea tree oil, which is antifungal. Also very, very good for COVID BS stuff. So yeah, enjoy. Be more cat.